recording.
Good Sunday morning to you. As you can see, they got some weather here. I turned the camera on a little bit early so you could see what 60, I'm sorry, we're on 28. See what 28's like before the good section. It's pretty good. The fog's finally clearing out of Franklin. Once you get away from Franklin, there's no fog. Let me just tell you that. If you're staying in Franklin and you get up in the morning and Franklin is covered in fog and foggy and just a mess, just get on your bike and ride 5 miles in any direction. There won't be any fog. Whenever I ride to Franklin in the mornings, Franklin is always foggy, but it's clear. Wherever you're at, outside of Franklin, it's clear. But anyway, we are on 28. We are heading towards 74. This is your last passing zone. The traffic in Franklin was pretty bad. This must be the Sunday that all the people decided they are going to church. I love this house right there. It was for sale a while back when my wife and I were deciding moving up here, and I was considering it, but what stopped me was it's not close to anything. It's where we're at right now. It's a long ride to get somewhere. If you need a gallon of milk, you're going to drive. You're going to drive to get a gallon of milk. If you're out of sugar, you're out of sugar for a while. Nice. This is why when you're on a motorcycle, stay away from that yellow line, because the locals will run you over. So typically when I'm coming through here, I turn the camera on in this area, maybe around the next turn, so you got a little bit of a taste. Coming out of Franklin, right here's where the road gets good, but coming out of Franklin, the road's good. It's just all tar snakes. But once you hit Swain County, the road gets really good. The people of Macon County, they could care less about this road. I'm guessing Swain County is Bryson City, so they must be looking at it, well, we can get the people on the train from Franklin, let's pave the road. Alright, we're back up on a mountain, so you see the fog. It is 9 o'clock in the morning, it's after 9. Fog's not bad, but the fog is here. I hope for my sake it's not got the camera lens all blurry for you. See, even Swain County's replacing the guardrails. Who doesn't want to crash into a brand new guardrail? Come on. This road's like 30 miles an hour. There's no reason to have a guardrail there. Back when this road was 55, that's when they needed the guardrail. The old honey store. For any of you all counting down with me, I have 5 more working days, and then I'm retired. My exit interview is on Friday. I have a list of touch points. Should be an exciting interview. What I ought to do is video it. Tree down. I'd hate to come through there on a bike and see that tree in the middle of the road. You wouldn't have time to even slow down before hitting it. That'd be a bad curve to hit a tree. Or a big rock in the middle of the road. This road's not like Deal's Gap, where there's people that go through in the morning with the blower and clean the road off. But like I said at the beginning of the video, they had some storms yesterday. The roads here have been pretty dirty. Good thing I'm not fast. I do not want to be buying another 848. I kind of would like to try a V4S up here. I see lots and lots of them, but they're all old guys like me who don't really ride. And it just seems, to me, it seems like a waste of money.